Good morning, student. Hope you all are good and staying at your home safely. So, student, yesterday I had explained you the chapter till page number 30. The last paragraph I have to explain you. So, today I will be explaining page number 30, the last two line, then 31, and the last and the third page of the chapter is third last page of the chapter 32. So, as I told you that when Swallow had helped Happy Prince by becoming a messenger for the first time, and when he returned back to Happy Prince statue by giving a ruby from the sword of Happy Prince statue to the sinister whose son was lying ill on the bed and having a fever. And when he returned back, he said that he was feeling quite warm, as although it is so cold. But what Happy Prince said that, and that is because he had done a good action. That's why he was feeling warm. Now the last two line. When day broke, he flew down to the river and he had a bath. So as I told you yesterday, after saying this, the Happy Prince said that this is because you have done a good action. And the little swallow began to think, and then he fell asleep. And thinking always made him sleepy. जैसे वो कुछ सोचता है तो क्या होता है, वो सो जाता है. Now when day broke, he flew down to the river and had bath. So जैसे वो सुबह होती है, he just flew down to the river and he had taken a bath. Tonight I go to Egypt, said the swallow, and he was in high spirit at the prospect. He visited all the monuments and sat long time on top of the church steeple. So, what happened next? After taking a bath from the river, he decided that today at night he will flew to the Egypt, and he was very much motivated and he was in a very high spirit in the prospect. Means वो बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप को कंट्रोल करके काम डाउन करके he had fully decided he will went to the Egypt tonight. And now the whole day he visited in the same city to the monuments and sat on a long time on the top of the church steeple. Steeple means top of a church. Now when the moon rose, he flew back to the Happy Prince. So जैसे ही रात हुई, he just flew back to the Happy Prince. Have you any commission for Egypt? He cried. I'm just starting. So he said that if you want to give something to the Egypt people or anything, I'm going to fly. I'm going to start my journey. So you can give it to me. Now, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you stay with me one night longer? Now again Happy Prince you can say request to swallow, that little swallow, could you please stay with me one night longer, could you please stay with me one night more? Swallow, no, now I am waited for in Egypt, answered the swallow. But the swallow had answered to Happy Prince that he was waited by his friend in Egypt. Swallow, little swallow, said the prince, far away across the city, I see a young man in garret. He is leaning over a desk covered with papers, and in the glass by his side there is a bunch of withered violet. Now swallow, now the prince was seeing again the needy person, another needy person. Now he was telling to swallow that far away across the city he was seeing a young man in a garret. Now student, garret means your small dark room at the top of the house. जैसे होता नहीं है आपके कोई छत पे एक कमरा बना हो जो कि बहुत ही अंधेरा रहता है. सो garret is basically a small dark room at the top of the house. And he was seeing that a young man is in that garret, and he is leaning over a desk covered with papers. मतलब कि वो टेबल पे सर झुका के लेटा हुआ है. And in the glass by his side there is a bunch of withered violet. और उसके just बगल में जहाँ पर वो he was leaning on that desk covered, that desk was covered with paper, and the glass was by his side, and there's a bunch of withered violet. Withered violet means dried up blue purple flowers. ठीक है, जो flowers हैं वो blue purple के कलर में एकदम सूखे हुए हैं. and his hair is brown and crisp, and his lips are red as pomegranate, and he has large and dreamy eyes. So now his description was given by Happy Prince to Swallow, that man has a brown hair and crisp, and his lips are as red as pomegranate. Pomegranate is called, हिंदी में उसे अनार बोलते हैं, ठीक है, and he's a large and a dreamy eyes. He is trying to finish a play for the director of the theater, but he is too cold to write anymore. And he is a story writer, so from that thing he came to know that he is writing something, but to the for a play for the director of the theater, and he has to finish that play writing, but it was too cold that he cannot write it there. There is no fire in the grate, and hunger has made him faint. और उसके जो रूम में फायर जलाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, एंड दैट्स वाई ही वॉज टू पुअर दैट ही डोंट हैव अ वुड टू लिट अ फायर in his house and to get warm himself, and he is also too poor that he cannot have anything to eat, and that's why the hunger made him faint. Faint means बेहोश हो जाना, not in a conscious mind. Now I will wait with you one night longer, said the swallow, who really had a good heart. He asked if he should take another ruby to the young playwright. Now he said that now Swallow said that okay, I will wait for you one night longer, and I'm doing it because who really had a good heart, मतलब कि ऐसा good or great heart किसके पास होगा, that the statue is taking out every jewels and those precious stone from his statue and giving to the needy person. And he said that if he should take out another ruby to the young playwright, as you all know that there was one ruby only in his sword, ठीक है, उनके जो हैंडल में, sword के हैंडल में था वो, there was one ruby. Now alas, I have no ruby now, said the prince. तो प्रिंस ने क्या बोला कि now I don't have any ruby. Why? Because he has only one ruby, and that ruby was in the hilt of that sword of the happy prince. So my eyes are all that I have left. They are made of rare sapphire. So he said that my eyes have a red sapphire, means rare sapphire, means a sapphire jewel, that is a stone, which were brought out of India thousands years ago. और वो मुझे कब मिला था, जब 1000 years ago people had found that sapphire from India, and these sapphires are in my eyes. He ordered the swallow to pluck out one of them and take it to the playwright. He will send it to the jeweler and buy firewood and finish his play, he said. So what happened next? The happy prince said to Swallow that he just ordered him to pluck out one sapphire from his one eye, and just go to that playwright. Playwright is a playwriter, and give it to that person, and so that he can go to the jeweler and sell that sapphire and bring money and to lit some fire, to buy some wood and to lit some fire in his house, and have also something to eat to remove his hunger. Dear prince, said the swallow, I cannot do that, and he began to weep. Now Swallow started crying, because he said that I cannot do this. I cannot pluck out one sapphire from your eye. Swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you. He said that swallow, little swallow, just whatever I am saying, just do it. Now prince is commanding Swallow. He is not requesting. First, when he wants to give the ruby to a semester, then he requested, but now he is commanding. He is giving an order to Swallow that you have to do this, to take out one sapphire from my eye, and you have to give it to the playwright. So the swallow plucked out the prince's eyes and flew away to the young man's garret. It was easy enough to get in, as there was a hole in the roof. So after getting an order from Happy Prince statue, he just pluck out one sapphire from his one eye, and he just flew away to the young man's garret. And it was very easy for him to get into that garret, because the rooftop of the garret was not there was a hole in that roof. So through this he darted and came into the your that one room. So he just get into that room, and the young man had his head buried in his hand, so he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wing. So he was having a hand on his ears, that's why he cannot hear the fluttering, मतलब कि जो उड़ने की आवाज़ होती है वो चीज़ वो नहीं सुन पाया. So and flutter of the bird's wing, flutter means to fly. And when he looked up, he found the beautiful sapphire lying on the withered violet. And when he woke up, he found that there was a beautiful sapphire on that dried up blue and black withered violet, that is a dried up blue purple flowers. It was lying there. And what was lying there? That was a violet, that was sapphire, that was lying there. I am beginning to be appreciated, he cried. This is from some great admirer. Now I can finish my play. And he looked quite happy. So now that playwright had cried that I am beginning to be appreciated, मतलब कि अभी से मुझे appreciation मिलने लगा, because someone is very great admirer of me, and that's why now I can finish my play. I got sapphire, and now I can sell that and bring some wood to lit a fire in my room. The next day the swallow flew down to the harbour. He sat on the the next day the swallow flew down to the harbour. He sat on the mast of a large vessel and watched the sailors working. Now what happened next? Harbour means boat yard. ठीक है, आपको पता होना चाहिए. That is a boat yard. And that was the next day when he woke up again, swallow, he just flew down to the harbour, that is a boat yard, and he was sitting on the mast of a large vessel, and he was sitting on a large vessel and watching the sailors working. I am going to Egypt, cried the swallow, but nobody minded, and when the moon rose he flew back to the happy prince. Now he again in the daytime he was thinking that today he will flew away to the Egypt and he will never come back. But as the moon the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince again. I have come to bid you goodbye, he cried. Now he said to the happy prince that he had come here to say a goodbye to happy prince. Now again happy prince said that, swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you not stay with me one night longer? Again happy prince said to little swallow that, will you not stay with me one night more? Now it is a winter, answered the swallow, and the snow will soon be here. In Egypt the sun is warm on the green palm trees, and the crocodiles lied in the mud and look lazily about them. Now swallow said to happy prince that it is a winter now here, and the snow will soon be here, और यहाँ पर सर्दी बहुत जल्दी आ जाएगी. And as I have to went to the Egypt, because Egypt like atmosphere and the environment is will be very suitable for me to be there, as in Egypt the sun is on the green palm trees where I can sit, and the crocodiles lie in the mud and look lazily about them. This is the like what you can say, वो उनके पूरे इजिप्ट के environment के बारे में बता रहा था swallow किसको, happy prince को, because he knows that he has to be there this time, because it is in that city there was a winter and the snow can come any time. Now in the square below, said the happy prince, there stand a little match girl. She has let her matches fall in the gutter, and they are all spoiled. Now the happy prince said again that he was seeing in the square below, मतलब कि चौराहे पे क्या देख रहा, there was a girl standing who has a matchstick box in she is having a matchstick box, and as she has let her matches fall on the in the gutter, but जो उसके matches थे बॉक्स से निकल के कहाँ कैसे गिर गए, कहाँ पे, गटर में, and they are all spoiled. Her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money, and she is crying. So अब उन्होंने क्या देखा कि the girl was having that that was a matchstick girl, and she was having that matchstick, but the matches that stick was fallen in the gutter, and now she is crying because if she has not brought some money back to her home, her father will beat her very badly. So she has no shoes or stockings, and her little head is bare. Pluck out my other eye and give it to her, and her father will not beat her. So he ordered that she don't have any shoes or stockings, so, and she is very poor, so just took out my another eye, means another sapphire from my eye, and just go and give it to her, otherwise her father will beat her very badly. I will stay with you one night longer, said the swallow, but I cannot pluck out your eye. You would be quite blind then. तो सोलो ने क्या बोला, मैं तुम्हारे साथ एक दिन और रुक जाऊंगा, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टे विथ यू वन मोर नाइट लॉन्गर, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक आउट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू प्लक आउट दैट अनदर सफायर फ्रॉम योर आई, बिकॉज इन दिस वे यू विल बिकम अ ब्लाइंड. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you. So he said that, swallow, swallow, what I'm giving you an order, and that order you have to fulfill, you have to obey my order. So he plucked out the prince's other eye and darted down with it. Darted, that is ran suddenly. So he just plucked out that another eye from that sapphire from the prince's other eye, and he ran down with it, and he stopped past the match girl and slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand. So swept means moved rapidly downward through the air. So he just moved to that girl and gave that jewelry into the palm of her hand. What a lovely bit of glass, cried the little girl, and she ran home laughing. So when she had that sapphire, she was very happy, and she said that what a lovely glass of a piece she had, and she cried, she said that, and she ran home laughing. Then the swallow came back to the prince. You are blind now, he said, so I will stay with you always. So now when swallow came back to the happy prince statue, he said that you are now blind, and I cannot leave you like this. So he is going to stay with you. So he is going to stay with him always. No, little swallow, said the poor prince, you must go away to Egypt. Now the happy prince said that no, you should go away and to the Egypt. No, I will stay with you always, said the swallow, and he slept at the prince's feet. And then swallow said that no, he is not going anywhere, and he will stay with him, and he just slept at the prince's feet. All the next day he sat on the prince's shoulder and told him stories of what he had seen in strange land. Now next day when he woke up, he just sat on the prince's shoulder, and he was telling him all the stories, wherever he had gone, whatever he had seen in this strange land. So students, till now I have completed. Tomorrow I will be completing again, that is page number 33, 34 and 35. Then we will finish our chapter, and the question answers on Friday I will discuss with you all. So I guess one day has taken more. So in this way I had completed my chapter. If you have any query, you can ask from me in your WhatsApp class. Please do students ask the questions if you have any query, and just ask a genuine question. Like if you are not getting any thing from this chapter, like word meaning to पूछते हो, you can get it from Google also, but if you are not getting that also, you can ask from me. So just be attentive, and I'm going to send you the objective type question also based on this chapter very soonly, and just ask the question if you have any query. Okay students, now take care and bye bye.